A kiss can take a great first date to the next level. You'll be more likely to get a first kiss if you do your part to make the date as awesome as possible. Prepare ahead by dressing up nicely and taking care of your hygiene so you look and smell your best. Make sure you arrive on time and give your date your full attention so that they feel respected and know that you're genuinely interested in them. If you're really feeling the spark, set the mood by lingering a little as the date comes to an end, instead of saying goodbye right away. Get physically close to your date and look for romantic ways to break the touch barrier, like gently touching their arm or brushing their hair out of their face. You can also flirt by paying them a sincere compliment. For instance, tell them how beautiful they look, or how happy it made you to spend time together. If they lean in close, touch you back, or return the compliment, those are all good signs. Once you feel like the time is right to go in for a kiss, lock eyes with them. You can also let your gaze linger on their lips for a moment, which can help give them the hint that you're interested in kissing. If you're not sure how they feel about it, say something like, "I'd really like to kiss you right now. Is that okay?" If you get the all clear, lean in slowly and tilt your head to one side. Close your eyes and gently touch your lips to theirs. Whether or not your date is interested in a first kiss, respect their wishes and don't try to pressure them into anything they aren't comfortable with.